Your car's exhaust system is made up of oxygen sensors, the catalytic converter, pipes, resonator, and muffler. All cars today have at least 2 oxygen sensors to help control your engine, its emissions, and maximize your fuel economy. Your service engine soon light illuminates when it detects a problem. Your catalytic converter is an important part of your vehicle's emission system. If it becomes damaged or plugged up, it can cause loss of performance. Having your vehicle's exhaust system tested is critical not only to your vehicle, but to your health. At Rad Air, we care for your whole car, not just one service. Come on in and let our family of car care specialists take care of yours.